In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got to create this hand-drawn sketch effect in just Photoshop. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. So at first, once you have your image here, you just pick on any selection tools. So on this video, I'll be using the quick selection. So after picking on the selection tools, you see a button right here which says select subject. So I'm just going to click on it and allow it to automatically select just the subject for me. So I'll just wait. So once it's done like this, so I'm just going to duplicate the layer, this background layer, but I only want just the subject only. So I'm just going to isolate just the subject by just clicking on my Command J to duplicate it. So you can see I have just the subject right here. If I close the visibility of this, so I'm just going to change this subject here, the layer right here, to a smart subject. So once I'm done with that, I'll head on to filter, then I'll come right to stylish here and I'll click on my oil paint. So after that, you just make sure you play with these settings to have a smooth lines by just dragging this here and this, and you can just see how this goes. So once you're done with that, you hit OK, or once I'm just done with that, I'll hit OK and allow it to load just like this. So once it's done loading, the next thing I'm to do is to come to this image here, then come to adjustment and also click on my shadows and highlights. So after clicking the shadows and highlights, I'll come to this shadows amount, then I'll just increase it. Yeah, I'll come to the highlights amount and I'll also increase it like this. So once I'm done with this, I'll hit OK and I'll leave it to load. Once it's done loading, I'll still come back to this image here, to the adjustment. Then with this, I'm going to click on this. So after clicking this, just take it to the side and play with these settings till when you have that drawn sketch effect that you desire. So you can just take this. So I'll leave it like this and I'll hit OK. So after hitting OK, you can now see I've created this hand-drawn sketch effect. So for the background, I can choose to change the background to any color, just like this. I'll come to the solid color, then I'll just take this up. Then I can change it to any color of my choice. So on this video, I'm going to leave it at this color. So once I'm done, I hit OK. So you guys can see this is how I got to create this realistic hand-drawn sketch effect in Photoshop. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more helping tutorial videos. But for now, I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.